Yeah, boss. Yeah, boss. You keep looking nice, boss. Nice, have a nice stand here. Maybe if I blue mango. And this is mahogany.
Nice, nice. Make sure you do your job well, okay?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So, guys, I'm sorry for my outfit, but you know, here the place is hot. Well, it's not hot, but I'm accustomed walking topless, especially back in my early days. So, sometimes I just walk topless. But anyhow, today I'm gonna make a bench using these 2x4 just treated yellow pine. They're already treated, and then I have a piece of mahogany left over from the forest mahogany tree, the outer body that remain they don't need, so I took it and I'm going to make about 2 benches. I already have the tabletop. Just stay tuned and you will see. Okay, so I already have the bench out here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a level. I'm going to take off these all back, and then I'm going to flatten the surface here a little bit, and the same for down there. Yeah, sorry, I have my foot. Okay, so this is my bench. What I'm going to do now is take off these old skin and make it a little bit more flat, and the same thing goes for down here, flatten down there as well, so it can rest level on the stands. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do an experiment. I have some small holes here. I have some small holes here, like insect hole. I'm gonna try something. I'm not sure. I have some gas there. And I'm gonna burn it and try create an art. I don't know if it will work. Not too sure. Oh man. Maybe I have to get the torch. Okay, it's a failed project. So I will get the torch. I need to buy gas for the torch and do the burning. But for now, this is finished until I carry to the destination where I will do the varnishing. So I forgot, I'm going to break this edge as in make it a little more flat, because right now it is too sharp, the edge is too sharp. Already smooth edges, give them a curve, and also the front. I break the edge for the front so it will not be too sharp when someone is sitting. And same goes for this other side as well. Yeah, boss. Your kid looking nice, boss. Look at this, boss. Look at that. Nice, we have some nice stand here, made from mahogany wood. Made from mahogany wood. No, made from blue mahogany. Made from blue mahogany. Yeah. Yeah, this is mahogany. Looking nice.
Nice, nice. Make sure you do your job well, okay? Job well done. Yeah, man. Nice one.
Come on. You see, you have the same thing here. Mahogany benches you have right there. And things look so nice. And then you have the welder doing his thing. Yeah. Come along.
Okay na. Okay na lang.
Come along.
Yeah, man. Good job, man. This is so nice. This is so
Mom, it is well
balance, level.
It is level, yeah.
Yeah, it's level.
I'm gonna show you the boss. The boss, mom, it's level. So
Yeah, level.
and don't worry, mom,
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
will be varnished
Yeah.
next week, mom.
Yeah, man. Present yourself. What's your name? So they contact you.
The welder.
The welder.
He is also an he studied the stars. Astronomer.
Astronomer. He's the astronomer too.
Yes guys, so this is my finished product right here, the bench and the table as well. That the table is not in the video, but it was a different video I made, but I did it similar, just like how I do the bench. I did the same type with the tabletop, and if you notice, I had to remove the piece that you were seeing in the video. Yeah, and I put on this horizontal piece with some reinforcement so you cannot move side to side. Yeah, because how I had it, the floor is kind of uneven, so I had to do this as well. But this is the stronger way if you want to make a bench just like this. And notice I did the same thing with the other bench, and it's all looking nice and sweet, guys, to be honest. This will be nice in a garden. Yeah, in your garden, you know, bring some friends. You have this bench here, the table, and you have another bench on the other side, but you know we cannot have another one on the other side because of the railing. And you can also make this much wider by inserting another tabletop to the other side as well. Yeah, and if you enjoy this video, guys, give it a like and a subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. And I'm right here, I just waiting for something to eat. I ordered some food, so I just waiting for something to eat. I don't want to drink my drink as yet because I will have to purchase another drink. Just joking, guys, but I'm just waiting here. It's Boxing Day, and we just came down just to clean up. Woo woo woo!